Bright smiles, naturally, whiten teeth and banish bad breath at home. Do you dream of a brighter, whiter smile, but dread the cost and chemicals of professional treatments? Or maybe you're struggling with bad breath right when you need to make a good impression. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into simple, science-backed remedies that will help you whiten your teeth and kiss bad breath goodbye, all while staying in the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. Before we tackle solutions, let's understand the problem. Teeth discoloration happens for two major reasons. First, there are surface stains caused by drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine, or habits like smoking. These stain particles accumulate on your enamel over time. Second, there are internal stains, deeper discolorations caused by aging, certain medications, or excess fluoride exposure during childhood. While internal stains require more advanced treatment, the good news is that surface stains, the most common type, can be treated with natural remedies. So how do we beat those stubborn stains? Simple, using science-backed at-home methods that effectively lift and lighten those yellow marks. Let's dive into the remedies. Here are some of the easiest, most affordable ways to brighten your smile. Baking soda is one of the most popular natural toothpaste ingredients, and for good reason. It's gently abrasive, making it great at scrubbing away surface stains while being safe for enamel. When used correctly, simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a bit of water to create a paste. Brush your teeth with it a couple of times a week and watch those stains start to fade away. Activated charcoal works like a magnet for toxins and stains. It's a fine black powder that binds to plaque and discoloration, leaving your teeth looking brighter. Wet your toothbrush, dip it into the charcoal powder, and brush gently for a couple of minutes. Just remember, moderation is key here. Overusing it can harm enamel. Hydrogen peroxide has natural bleaching properties and is a common ingredient in many commercial teeth whitening products. To use it at home, dilute 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water and swish it around your mouth for 1 minute. Used sparingly, it can help brighten teeth while killing bacteria. Surprisingly, strawberries are excellent natural teeth whiteners. They contain malic acid, which helps lighten discoloration. Create a whitening paste by mashing 1 ripe strawberry and mixing it with baking soda. Apply the mixture to your teeth, leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This ancient Ayurvedic technique pulls toxins and plaque out of your mouth, making your teeth look shinier and healthier over time. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it around your mouth for 10-15 minutes, and then spit it out. Oil pulling not only helps with whitening, but works wonders for bad breath too. Overusing abrasive ingredients like baking soda or activated charcoal can damage your enamel. Stick to these remedies only 2-3 times a week, and always use a soft bristled toothbrush to protect your teeth. We've tackled the whitening, but what about fresh breath? To fight bad breath, we need to talk about what's causing it. Bad breath, or halitosis, is often caused by the buildup of bacteria in your mouth. When bacteria break down food particles, they release foul-smelling sulfur compounds. Other common causes include dry mouth, strong-smelling foods like garlic and onions, and poor oral hygiene habits. The good news? Addressing bad breath is simpler than you think. Here are some easy at-home tricks to keep your breath fresh all day. Remember oil pulling? Not only does it help whiten teeth, but it also reduces the bacteria that cause bad breath. Coconut oil is particularly effective due to its antibacterial properties. Start your mornings by swishing oil for fresher breath all day. Green tea isn't just a soothing drink. It's packed with antimicrobial and deodorizing goodness. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and use it as a mouthwash between meals. It's an excellent way to eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Chewing fresh parsley or mint isn't just a garnish trick. It's a golden ticket to odor-free breath. These herbs contain chlorophyll, which naturally neutralizes odors, leaving your breath refreshingly clean. Most people forget that their tongue harbors a lot of bacteria. Gentle tongue scrapers are your best defense against foul breath. Use one during your morning brushing routine for fresher breath throughout the day. Ever notice how your breath gets worse when your mouth feels dry? That's because saliva acts as a natural cleanser for your mouth. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep bacteria at bay. Let's make this even more interesting. You're not just hearing these tips, we'll show you. Watch as we demonstrate slow-motion shots of simple remedies in action, like baking soda lifting stains or green tea eliminating bacteria. Micro experiments and close-ups will give you a clear picture of why these techniques work. The transformation will feel achievable, inspiring you to take action. We also want you to see real-world results. Catch side-by-side before and after visuals to see how natural remedies can truly transform your oral health without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Now that you have the tools, let's create a simple daily and weekly schedule. Morning, start the day with oil pulling or a green tea rinse. Brushing and flossing, stick to twice a day, but enhance your routine with a gentle baking soda cleanse 2-3 times a week. Be sure to floss daily. Evening, to end your day, consider a quick hydrogen peroxide rinse or a tongue cleaning session to remove any leftover bacteria. Once a week, treat yourself to a strawberry paste or charcoal cleanse for a deep whitening boost. And don't forget, regular visits to your dentist are essential. While these remedies do wonders, professional advice keeps everything in check. We've unpacked a ton of helpful tips today, from whitening your teeth with natural remedies like baking soda, strawberries, and oil pulling, to freshening your breath with green tea, parsley, and proper oral hygiene. Remember, it's all about consistency, and small, natural changes can lead to big, impactful results. So why not try these remedies? Your smile deserves to shine, and your breath deserves to be fresh. Let us know in the comments which trick you're excited to try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend looking to step up their oral care game naturally. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to brighter smiles and fresher breaths, straight from nature. See you in the next video for more tips, tricks, and simple solutions for a healthier you.